Taking a live look out at Mount Hamilton right now, where there is some snow on the hills. You can also see it really coming down in Lake County. This was on Highway 175 in Middletown. It's causing slippery conditions out there on the roadways. So, Mary, we've seen it all today, on and off again. Thunderstorms, hail, snow. What's next? Some sunshine, maybe?
Yeah, a little bit of sunshine, too. We just have it all for today. So we're going to keep this unsettled weather going for us. I want to get right to high-def Doppler. We were talking about that snow up in Lake County, and you can still see it coming down, that wintry weather on high-def Doppler in Lake County, as well as all of our Bay Area mountain peaks from Santa Cruz Mountains, as well as the Diablo Range, Mount Hamilton catching that snow, as well as Mount Diablo. I want to get to the rain in the Bay Area as we are looking at the South Bay. You had a strong cell just move right over you from Milpitas to San Jose, and you can see the heaviest rain now to the east over the Alum Rock neighborhood in San Jose. That heavy downpour right over you. As we look to the peninsula, right over the San Mateo Bridge, catching that wet weather. Also over San Francisco, the Bay Bridge, the East Bay, catching some scattered showers, as well as for the North Bay. So we're going to continue with scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms as we go through our day. So we're talking small hail, as well as lightning strikes and those brief heavy downpours. So still looking at that unsettled weather and a really cool view with our Salesforce Tower camera as we look east of those showers pushing across the bay. Temperatures are definitely cool. We're talking mid-40s, mid to upper 40s to low 50s at this hour. So here's what you can expect. We're going to continue with this unsettled weather as we go through our day. More scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms, downpours, small hail, cool daytime highs. I'm sure you're noticing that, about 5 to 10 degrees below average for this time of year. And it's all because of this cold upper level low, this Pacific storm system, bringing this active weather for us. Drier, quieter weather as we look to tomorrow and the end of the week. But timing it out for you on Futurecast as we go through the rest of today. You can see those pop-up storms as we go through our afternoon, catching a little bit of sunshine. But again, some downpours are possible, and then drier weather ahead for your Thursday. Sunset at 6:12 and our sunrise at 6:26. Checking daytime highs on the cool side, low to mid 50s for those highs today. So drier, quieter weather Thursday, Friday, Saturday. More rain chances Sunday into Monday. Back to you.